Parmesan Pork Cutlet. Ingredients: a ½ cup all-purpose flour, 2 large eggs, 3/4 cup plain bread crumbs, a ½ cup grated Parmesan, 1 pound boneless pork cutlets, 4 cutlets, salt and pepper, 2 tablespoons vegetable oil, 2 tablespoons unsalted butter. Directions: place flour in a shallow bowl. Whisk eggs together in a separate shallow bowl. Combine bread crumbs and parmesan in a third shallow bowl. Sprinkle cutlets with salt and pepper. One at a time, dredge cutlets in flour, dip in egg and coat with bread crumb mixture. Warm 1 Tbsp oil and 1 Tbsp butter in a large skillet over medium heat until butter is foaming. Cook half of cutlets, turning once, until browned on both sides and cooked through, about 5 minutes total. Transfer to platter and loosely cover with foil to keep warm. Repeat process with remaining oil, butter and dredged cutlets. Serve immediately.